management, service counter selling skills, and life skills in under 60 seconds. Let's talk right now about leadership. What is leadership? I see a lot of people that are suddenly thrust into a leadership position believing and thinking that leadership is telling everybody what to do, when to do it, and how to do it. It's being the boss. And that's not true leadership. True leadership is building the team around common goals, around a common interest, a common direction. It is coaching employees. It is looking out for the strategy of the organization and what direction the organization is going in. It's setting expectations as to who we are as a business and why we are that and where are we going with this. It is ensuring that we have customers. It's paying attention to the marketing and the advertising. Being a leader is not telling everybody what to do and when to do it, but it's looking out for everybody, including the organization, so that everybody can have a job and do their job well and successfully. What is leadership to you? Put that in some of the comments here, all right? Stick that down in the YouTube comments. And if you haven't subscribed, click subscribe and click alert, all right? We always want subscribers. It's a good thing. You want to be aware of whenever we post something new anyway, all right? Keep up the great work and never, ever, ever stop learning.